Everyone thinks the best-selling rice pot is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different, especially when it comes to how each pot handles different rice types, cleanup, and long-term use. Product number 1, Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is more than just a rice cooker. It's a full kitchen multitasker. At $109.99, it sits at the higher end of the price range, but with over 9,000 sold last month, it's clearly a crowd favorite. If you want one appliance that can pressure cook, slow cook, make yogurt, and cook perfect rice without babysitting it, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6-quart stainless steel pot with tri-ply bottom ensures even heat distribution, which means no burnt rice or hot spots. The programmable rice function automatically switches to keep warm once done, so your rice stays fluffy for hours. With 1,000 watts of power, it cooks rice up to 70% faster than traditional methods, perfect for busy weeknights. Plus, the dishwasher-safe inner pot and lid make cleanup a breeze. Now, some people complained about the learning curve. There are 13 smart programs, and if you're not used to pressure cooking, it can feel overwhelming at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly reliable. Just don't expect to master it on day one. This is perfect for you if you want a do-it-all appliance for meal prep and family-size portions. Skip this one if you only cook rice occasionally and don't want to spend over $100. But for the versatility and consistent results, it's solid value for money. Alright, that was a powerhouse option, but the next one on my list might actually be better if you're looking for simplicity and affordability. Product number 2, Elite Gourmet 6-Cup Rice Cooker. The Elite Gourmet ER-C006SS is a no-frills, dedicated rice cooker at just $28, making it one of the most affordable options on this list. With 8,000 plus sold recently, it's clear people love a good deal. If you want fluffy rice without the tech overload, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It holds 3 cups of uncooked rice, 6 cups cooked, which is perfect for small families or meal prepping. The stainless steel inner pot is durable, easy to clean, and doesn't react with food like aluminum can. The automatic keep warm function kicks in once cooking is done, so you don't have to worry about timing. Plus, it comes with a measuring cup and spatula, small touches that make a big difference. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced settings. There's no delay timer or texture options like soft or firm. Here's the thing though, if you just want rice that's consistently cooked and easy to clean, that simplicity is actually a strength, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you want a dedicated, budget-friendly rice cooker that just works. Skip this one if you need to cook large batches or want programmable features. For under $30, it's hard to beat. Now, if the Elite Gourmet's small capacity didn't suit your needs, this next one takes a completely different approach, focusing on stovetop precision. Product number 3, Sensarte Non-Stick Saucepan. The Sensarte Non-Stick Saucepan isn't marketed as a rice cooker, but at $19.99, it's a surprisingly capable option for cooking small batches of rice. With 4,000 plus sold, it's gaining traction among minimalists. If you want a lightweight, easy-to-clean pot for 1 to 2 servings of rice, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1.5 quart size is ideal for single or double portions, and the Swiss granite nonstick coating means rice won't stick, even without oil. The aluminum core heats quickly and evenly on induction, gas, or electric stoves, and the Stay Cool handle makes it safe to move. Plus, the glass lid lets you monitor cooking without lifting it and releasing steam. Now, some people complained about the small capacity. It's not meant for family meals. Here's the thing though, if you live alone or cook for 2, that's actually a benefit. It's compact, stores easily, and heats up fast. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile, space-saving pot for small rice portions. Skip this one if you regularly cook for more than 2 people. For under $20, it's a steal. Alright, that was great for small servings, but the next one on my list might actually be better if you need larger capacity and built-in straining. Product number 4. Gotham Steel 5-Quart Stock Pot. The Gotham Steel 5-Quart Stock Pot is a multitasker with a clever twist, literally. Though it doesn't have a traditional rice cooking setting, its 5-quart capacity and non-stick ceramic surface make it great for boiling rice like pasta. With 3,000 plus sold, it's a favorite for those who hate extra gadgets. If you want one pot that can cook rice, pasta, and soups with zero cleanup hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in strainer lid lets you drain rice or pasta without a colander, and the twist and lock handles keep your hands safe from steam. The diamond-reinforced non-stick coating is metal utensil safe and requires no oil, perfect for low-fat cooking. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes seconds. Now, some people complained about the lack of automatic shutoff or precise rice settings. Here's the thing though, this pot is for people who don't mind watching the stove and prefer full control. It's not a rice cooker, but it works in a pinch. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, multi-use pot that saves cabinet space. Skip this one if you want hands-off, foolproof rice cooking. For versatility, it's a strong contender. Now, if Gotham Steel's non-stick surface worries you about longevity, this next one offers professional-grade durability with classic stainless steel. Product number 5, Cuisinart 1.5 quart stainless saucepan. The Cuisinart 1.5 quart saucepan is a premium stovetop option made in the USA. With a mirror-finished stainless steel design and 3,000 plus sold, it's a favorite among serious home cooks. If you want precise control over your rice texture and a pot that lasts decades, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The aluminum encapsulated base heats evenly, preventing scorching, a common issue with stainless steel. The flavor lock lid seals in moisture, and measurement markings help you get the water to rice ratio just right. Cool Grip riveted handle stays safe to touch, and it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and backed by a lifetime warranty. Now, some people complained about the higher price and lack of non-stick coating. Rice can stick if not monitored. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to stir occasionally and use a bit of oil, the results are restaurant quality. This is perfect for you if you value craftsmanship and want a pot that improves with age. Skip this one if you want fully automated cooking. For long-term value, it's unmatched.
So which pot is best? The Instant Pot Duo if you want one appliance for everything. The Elite Gourmet for simple, affordable rice cooking. The Sensarte for small, healthy portions. Gotham Steel if you need multi-use with easy cleanup. And Cuisinart if you want professional quality that lasts a lifetime. Each has its strength. Pick the one that fits your kitchen and lifestyle.